Welcome all of you to the session on how to make money in trading. Today in the session, you'll learn how to make money in trading in a matter of just 1 to 3 easy steps. And you'll also learn how to master futures and options trading in a matter of just 7 minutes. But then before we start the session, I request all of you to make sure that you forget about trading, all that you have learned about trading till date. Look at the session as a beginner. The more you look at the session as a beginner, the faster you'll reach the end results. So when I'm talking about end result, there is only one end result that we are all working towards, and that is to make money, isn't it? But then when it comes to making money, there are only two things that we can do here as far as trading is concerned, and that is buying and selling, right? So apart from buying and selling, is there anything else that you want to do here? Just buying and selling, isn't it? But then there are people who have spent years of their life trying to do research and analysis, trying to understand one little secret, and that is the right entry and right exit. Yes, of course, if you have to succeed in trading, you have to understand the right entry, right exit, when to buy, when to sell. But then these are the people who have been doing research for years of their life, and they are still doing research. So today you people are here to decide whether you want to spend your life doing research and analysis, or you want to spend your life earning money. If you want to spend your life earning money, then you are at the right place, because from here on, you don't have to worry about the right entry and right exit, because dynamic superpower traders are introducing a revolutionary invention, the dynamic live. It is the first stock market intelligence of the world. We call it the Dominic Method. Now, what is so very intelligent about this? The intelligence here is it automatically identifies the right entry and right exit for you, so that you don't have to waste your time doing research and analysis. You can straight away focus on making money. But then you all know that market conditions keep changing, price movements that keep changing, varieties of price movements are there. So in any given market condition, for you to get the right entry and right exit, there are some very unique intelligence at work in this dynamic live. Let's have a look at them. These are all some of the major intelligence, like we have the wait and act intelligence. Now, right entry and right exit is very important. I agree. When to buy, when to sell is very, very important. I agree. But then when not to enter, when not to exit, that is also equally very important. This not many people understand it. But today, this wait and act intelligence will automatically take care of it. It will avoid you from doing all the wrong trades. And then we have the zigzag caution intelligence. Whenever the price keeps moving up and down, these zigzag cautions will identify the temporary price reversals. Like when the price is going up, if you come across a zigzag symbol on top, it means get ready, the price can reverse now. It can come down. Similarly, when the price is decreasing, if you come across a zigzag symbol at the bottom, it means get ready, the price can increase from here. So when you have this information in advance, then what will happen is you will be able to exit your trades with maximum profits. And then we have the sideways caution intelligence. You know that price always does not move in an uptrend or in a downtrend. It also moves in sideways. Now, this is a phase where majority of traders incur a series of minus trades. It is because people simply cannot understand which direction it is going to move. But then there is a character of a sideways market. But today, Dynamic Live is the one and only platform in the whole world which can automatically identify the sideways movement for you. It will identify sideways movement before it starts. So it will tell you sideways nearing sign, so that you can be prepared. And then later we have this dynamic system cautions and DMBOTS. Whenever there is a major movement in the market, as we witnessed in the month of March, we saw a major downtrend in the overall market. And from the bottoms, we also saw a major recovery also. But then in both these major movements, before the major movements, right on top and right at the bottom, these dynamic system caution symbols appear, telling us the price is about to reverse. So we can exit our trades with maximum profit. Not only that, we can also take the opposite trade very early in order to capture the big movements. So these are all the intelligence. But today, let's have a look at them in the live market, in real-time market, and see how it works in dynamic live, how we can benefit from this intelligence here. Now, this is dynamic live for you. Now, in this dynamic live, you can see here, there is this action information. In this action information, whenever there is a clear buying opportunity, when the price is increasing, it will be written as buy long, act now. It means buy signal has come. Please take a long position, act now, buy it immediately. But then many times when the price is increasing, if it feels this is not a good point to buy, it will be written here as buy signal, wait and buy. Means buy signal has come, but it looks like there is a trap. It may not go up further. So wait and buy. Don't buy this now. So when you read it, you know that it is asking you to wait. You will not do the trade. Similarly, when the price is decreasing, if it feels this is a trap, here it will be written as sell short, sell signal, wait and sell. So this is the benefit of this intelligence. All that you have to do here is read what's written there. And then we have the reason here. In the reason, whenever, as of now, it is written as sell signal, but many times here it will be written as sideways nearing sign. So it tells you in advance sideways is about to start, be prepared. Later it will tell you sideways start sign. So when it says sideways start sign, that is when you know that sideways has started. So what you can do is, whatever trade that you have taken, you can exit it fast with minimum profits. Or the other best thing that you can do here is go trade some other stock which is not in sideways. And later when it says sideways end sign, then you can get back and start trading the same stock. And we have the zigzag caution intelligence right on top. These zigzag symbols will appear right at the bottom. These zigzag symbols will appear telling you that the price is about to reverse. Right? Temporary reversals are identified by these zigzag symbols. And then we also have the dynamic system cautions here. Dynamic system cautions and the DMBOTS. You can see even now we have a dynamic system caution right at the bottom telling us the price is about to reverse. Be ready, so that whatever trade that you have taken, you can exit, you can secure your profits. Right? And you can also be prepared to take the opposite trade very early so that you can capture the big movements. These are all the intelligence here. But then today your job is not to follow all these intelligence. Your job is to simply follow what the Dominic method tells you to do. And in this Dominic method, you're supposed to check only the action information. So whenever there is a clear buying opportunity, here it will be written as buy call option now. Or when there is a clear selling opportunity, here it will be written as buy put option now. So, gentlemen, for the first time ever in the whole world, when it comes to trading in options, Dynamic Live is the one and only platform which can automatically tell you how to trade in options, when to trade in options, what to trade in options, so that you don't have to waste your time. You can straight away get started, start trading and start making money. Right? You don't have to waste your time reading books, learning what is options and all sort of things. So this is how you can do. But then when it tells you to buy a call option or buy a put option, there's one more important thing that you have to learn, and that is how to select the right strike price. But then today you don't have to worry. Even the right strike price are automatically selected here. So when it tells you buy call option, then you can come look at this pyramid pointing upward. You can pick one number out of these three. That is your right strike price. Similarly, when it tells you to buy a put option, you can come look at this pyramid pointing downward, pick one number out of these three. That is your right strike price. So this is how you can select the right strike price. And then once you have selected the right strike price, you can do the trade. Now after you buy a call option or a put option, later it will tell you hold call option or hold put option, as it is now telling you hold put option. At some point here it will be written as exit put option or exit call option. That is when you can go ahead and exit the trade. But when I'm saying this, some of you may be thinking, do I have to watch it the whole day? No, you don't have to watch it the whole day. Once every 30 minutes, if you can check it, that is more than enough. All that you have to do, check what the action information is telling you once every 30 minutes. That is good enough. But then above this, there is one more important thing that you have here, and that is this preparation. So before it tells you to buy a call or buy a put option, here in the preparation, it will be written as get ready to buy call option, get ready to buy put option. So you will know very early that what trade you are about to do next. So accordingly, you can prepare yourself and plan your trade. So this is how you can benefit from it. But then when I'm saying all these things, there are many people watching this session. You may be thinking, boss, I don't know what is futures, what is options, how will I learn, how many days will it take for me to learn? Many questions must be running in your mind. But then today you don't have to worry. As I promised you in the beginning of the session, it is a matter of just 7 minutes that you're going to master futures and options trading right now. But when I say this, there are many people who laugh at it. There are many people who may rubbish it. There are many people who feel this is absolutely stupid, because they may have spent years, months together, years together to learn what is futures and options. And when I say it is a matter of 7 minutes, they are simply not able to believe it. But then, as I told you, just watch this session. Maybe at the end of the session, you may have to revise your opinion. Now, being a beginner, what I understand, how I perceive this is, it is very good that you are a beginner. The truth here is you are the luckiest person walking this planet, because you don't know anything. Now, when you don't know anything, your mind is a clean slate, and whatever is told, you will simply follow it. You will blindly follow it. Now, that is what we want you to do. As long as you do that, you make money. You are here to make money, and your goal will be achieved very easy. Now, all that you have to do here is, at some point here today, it was written as buy put option now. It was written as buy put option now. All that you are supposed to do is read it. Read it loud. But then before you read it, you must know which script you are trading. So this is Nifty. So you have to read it as Nifty buy put option now. Can you do this much? And along with this, I also told you have to select one right strike price. So since it is a put option, pick one number. Let's assume you have picked the 9,100 strike price. So you have to read it as Nifty buy put option now 9,100 strike price. This is all you're supposed to read. If you can do this much, now what you can do is you can pick up your phone right now, make a call to your stockbroker right away. We are in the live market, so try it. Make a call right now. You ask him over the phone, boss, I am a beginner, I don't know what is options, but if I tell you over the phone, Nifty buy put option now 9,100 strike price, will I be able to trade in options? Yes or no? You ask him. When you ask him, you'll be surprised to listen to his answer, because his answer will be a big yes. They don't care whether you know what is options or not. They don't care whether you know what is futures or not. The only thing that they care here is, have you given them the right information? Have you given them the right complete information? So you have told them which script. You said Nifty, what to do? You said buy put option now. Which strike price? You said 9,100 strike price. The complete information, the right information has been conveyed. So they will simply place the orders. So for you to make this phone call and convey this message over the phone, now how much time is it going to take? It is a matter of 20-30 seconds, isn't it? Make a phone call, 30 seconds. You say Nifty buy put option now, 9,100 strike price. They will tell you what price it has been bought. Right? So 30 seconds for this phone call. And then after that, cut the call. And later it is telling you hold put option. It means hold it. Just sit there quiet. And at some point here, it will be written as exit put option now. So when it says exit put option now, once again, make a phone call. You tell them Nifty exit put option now. So by now they already know which put option you have bought, so they will simply exit it. So another 30 seconds for this phone call. 30 seconds for an entry, 30 seconds for an exit. If you have understood this much, it means you can start trading, and you do this 7 times in a row. You do this 7 times in a row, you will become a master in options trading. Now, how will you know that you have mastered options trading? It is when the public calls you that you are a master, when your stockbroker calls you that you are a master, when I call you that you are a master of options trading, then yes, you are a master. But why will we people call you that you are a master? It is because when you do this 7 times in a row, and at the end of 7th time when your account balance is in profit, then everyone will call you that you are a master in options trading. Isn't it? Isn't it true? Right? So gentlemen, the truth here is, it doesn't matter how many books you have read. It doesn't matter how many training programs you have attended. It doesn't matter how many years of experience or knowledge you have. The only thing that matters here is, have you made money or not? If you have made money, you are a master. If you have not made money, you are not a master. As simple as that, isn't it? Similarly, if you want to master futures trading, in the action, if it is written as buy long act now, just make a phone call, read it. Nifty futures buy long act now, just read it. They will understand the language, they will buy it. Similarly, when it is written sell short act now, one more phone call, tell them Nifty futures sell short act now. You do the 7 times in a row, you would have mastered futures trading as well. But today, if you have all understood this much, because this is a fact, gentlemen, when it comes to trading, this is all that you're going to do today. You can go verify this with any experienced traders or any of your stockbroker. If you have understood this reality today, it means you have already mastered futures and options trading today. So this is how you can start trading and start making money. This is how easy it is. These are all the benefits here. But then, as I told you, whenever it has to give you an entry or an exit, there are some multiple signals at work. Which are these multiple signals? Let's have a look. Now, these are all the multiple signals here. For you to get an entry, either for a long trade or a short trade, this intraday 3-speed signal, the long signal, the zigzag breakouts and breakdowns, multiple signals are at work. Similarly, for you to get an exit, intraday 3-speed signal, the major zigzag, the long signal, edge point, and so on. So many signals are there. But then you may be wondering, why there are so many signals? Why can't there be one simple buy signal and one simple sell signal? As I told you in the beginning of the session, market conditions keep changing. For you to get the right entry, right exit in any given market condition, these many signals are required. But today, your job is not to follow all these signals. Your job is not to learn anything about this. Your job is to simply follow this 1, 2, 3 easy steps. What are these 1, 2, 3 easy steps? The first basic step. Just add your favorite stock or index in dynamic live. Just add it. And once you have added it, check what the Dominic Method action information is telling you. Whatever it tells you, based on that, simply place orders, start trading, start making money. Job over. This is all that you are supposed to do, gentlemen. This is how easy it has become today to start earning money in trading. But today, let's have a look at this dynamic live and real-time market to understand how easy these 1, 2, 3 steps are. So for that, I request any of you to suggest me your favorite stock so that we can go check what this dynamic live intelligence is telling us to do. Now for that, you can suggest me any stock. Now in the meantime, let me show you. All that you're supposed to do is to select your favorite stock. Click on this favorites here. Once you click on this favorites, now what will happen here is a drop down will appear. In this drop down, you can select any of your favorite stock. Let us say Reliance. So in Reliance, you can see here as of now the action says stay tuned for the next trade. It means wait for the next trading opportunity. As of now, there is no trade, but then the preparation is telling you get ready to buy put option. You may have to buy a put option, so be prepared, but only when it confirms, only when it is written in the action buy put option or buy call option, that is when you can go ahead and do the trade. Mr. Vijay, I have answered this question earlier in the session in the morning, right? So that is not how you secure your profits. You secure your profits when you are at good profits, right? So once you have secured profit, then wait for the other position to fetch you some profits to secure it again, or else until then you are supposed to hold it, right? So Reliance is telling us to wait, and Ms. Shanti has asked for Kotak Bank. Let us check what's happening in Kotak Bank. Well, this is what is happening in Kotak Bank. As of now, it is telling us to hold a put option. But then sometime long back, it has told us to buy a put option somewhere here. Now, the point and price was, it was on 11th May at around 14:30. You could have taken a short position in futures at 1,198, or you could have bought a put option. After buying it, as the price came down, right at the bottom, there is a dynamic system caution for you to secure your profit. Even now, the price is 1,150. It is more than 48 points profit that you are witnessing right now. What is the lot size of Kotak Bank? I think the lot size must be somewhere close to 500 or 750. Even if it is 500, 46 points, we are talking about literally close to 23,000 rupees profit in this one single trade. Now, some of you want to check Bank Nifty. Yes, why not? $400 is the lot size, is it? So 400 Kotak Bank into 46 points, we are talking about 18,400 rupees profit in one single trade. Now this is what is happening in Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, it is telling action is telling us hold put option, so we are waiting. Sometime sooner or later, it may tell us to exit put option as the price has slightly increased. Now, once it tells us to exit put option, later it may also ask us to buy a call option simultaneously. Then we will look at the trade at that point in time. So this is about Bank Nifty. So this is how one can benefit from this intelligence today, gentlemen. All that you have to do is select your favorite stock, follow the Dominic Method action information, and as per the instruction, if you simply start trading blindly, mechanically, then you start earning money. So today, when you have access to this intelligence, there are some very unique benefits that you can draw from it. Now, what are the benefits? Let's have a look. Now, these are all some of the major benefits that you can get. From here on, when it comes to trading, there won't be any more confusion while taking an entry or exit. You don't have to worry about it. And then when not to enter, when not to exit, you don't have to worry. It is automatically identified. It will avoid you automatically from doing those trades. And then when it comes to trading in options, which is the right strike price, that is also automatically selected here. You don't have to worry. And the best part here is the right entry and right exit are automatically told here in the action information. And above that, the preparation tells you in advance. So these are all the benefits here. So today, your job is 100% effortless. You don't have to sit and do any research or analysis. Your job is to simply place orders. Just place orders. If you can do this much, that is more than enough. And today, for you to start trading, there is no need of in-depth training. Simple basic training is more than enough. And today, any one of you can implement it. Even if you're a beginner, experienced trader, working professionals, retired people, housewife, students, stockbrokers, tips and calls providers, even many analysts have also joined us earlier. So any one of you can implement this, and all that we want you to do here is just implement it mechanically. If you can implement it mechanically, then what will happen is the end result will also be automated. So when I say end result, I am saying that money making is automated today. You can make profits automatically. All that you have to do is just implement as it is told. So these are all some of the major benefits. But then when I'm saying all these things, some of you may be thinking, now what is the price? What is the cost? There is no cost or price that you can pay for something precious like this. There is only one thing that you have come here to do, and that is to take a decision. And the decision here is you have come here to decide whether you are ready to invest today to secure your tomorrow. Are you ready to invest today to secure your financial future? This is the decision that you have come here to take. If you are ready to do that, let me show you what is the investment that you are supposed to make. But then before I show you, let me assure you one thing. You're not going to invest something big. You're going to invest a very small fetch of the profits that you can earn from it. But at the same time, just by looking at this dynamic live intelligence in a video or in a session like this, many of you will not be able to judge it completely. Only when you touch it, feel it, open it, run it in the real-time market, observe it, do some trades, see the real profits in front of your face. That is when you will understand the true benefits of this intelligence. That is the day you will realize what you have been missing all these years when it comes to trading in stock market. So today, for you to make sure that every trader can first reap the benefits of this intelligence, to make sure every one of you can reap the benefit of this intelligence for the first time ever, the management has come up with a very big special offer. Just that you can understand the benefits of this intelligence, you can get a feel of this benefits. So there is a special offer coming your way. What is the special offer? Now today you can get this dynamic live intelligence at just 8,000 rupees for 1 month. But remember, this is only for the first month subscription. So this is a special offer here. But remember, the original price of this dynamic live was 4,39,000 rupees for 12 months. Where you get dynamic live for 12 entire months, you also get one dynamic system, 95,000 rupees worth dynamic system free for lifetime. Now what is dynamic system? Dynamic system is another intelligence which you can use to do positional trading. The biggest benefit is it will give you signals and informations one day in advance. But today both these things you are getting it free, with the special offer at just 8,000 rupees, where you get dynamic live intelligence for 1 month. You also get dynamic system free for 1 month. Now, once you start using this, there is a matter of a trade or two for you to gain back this investment. And after that, with the rest of the profit, then you can think about renewing it further to continue your success journey. But to make sure you renew it and continue your success journey until you reach a big success, a big milestone, there are some more special offers coming your way. What are they? Today, you can get the presidential rights plan where this 12 months plan. Instead of investing 4,39,000, you can invest just 1,23,000, where you get dynamic life for one entire year, and you also get dynamic system free for lifetime. You're getting almost 71% off on this particular plan. And then there is this privileged rights where you get 6 months plan at just 72,000. You get dynamic life for 6 months. You also get dynamic system free for 1 year. Got it? And then there is this 3 months plan at 42,000. You get dynamic live for 3 months. You also get dynamic system free for 3 months. And at last, there is this 1 month plan also where you get it at 16,500, where you get dynamic live for 1 month. You also get dynamic system free for 1 month. So these are all the 4 plans which you can think about from the second month onwards. You can go for any one of the plan according to your comfort from the second month onwards. But then for the first month, you get the special offer at just 8,000 rupees. So today, if any one of you is interested to jump in and get started to start making money, now here is the link for you to click on it and subscribe for the special offer right away. Once you have subscribed, remember first, the special offer is valid only for a limited period of time. Very soon the offer will go and the price will rise. So today, if any one of you is interested, jump in and get subscribed immediately. Once you subscribe, the technical team will send you a mail. They will take a remote access of your computer and they will install it today itself. And after installing today itself, you can attend an online workshop at 5 p.m. wherein you will learn things in a bit more detail. It will be a matter of just 60 minutes of session, and you can get started, start trading from tomorrow itself and start making money. So this is how simple and easy it is today for you to start trading and make money in futures and options trading. So this is all about today's session, gentlemen. If you have any other questions or doubts, you can ask me right now. Ms. Shanti, I saw your mail. Welcome to this dynamic family. It's good that you have done. You have subscribed for the 1-year plan straight away. Very nice. You can attend this online workshop today. Not only today, you can attend these online workshops every day as and when it is happening, so that you can get a complete grip of it. And very soon today, later in the evening, all the members will get a surprise mail wherein we are working towards one more additional thing which can make sure that every one of you reach the end goal. Right? So these are all the things. Any other questions or doubts? All right, fine. Looks like there are no questions or doubts. So, gentlemen, thank you all for joining today's session. Wish you all a happy trading and a very good afternoon. See you on the other side in the online workshop at 5 p.m. Until then, goodbye to all of you. How to see futures, Ms. Shanti, you just attend the online workshop. You'll get to know about it. Got it? Thank you all of you.